Khalida was one of Bangladesh's millions of garment workers. She sews in a small tailoring shop in Dhaka. Khalida is one of the lucky ones. She survived 16 hours trapped under the rubble of Rana Plaza, the deadliest industrial accident in the history of the garment industry. What happened that day is never far from her mind.
The building started trembling. There was lots of noise and I started running forward. After 5 or 6 steps, I couldn't see anything, and I started falling down like an elevator. I was crying. The roof was so close that it was touching my nose, and every time I breathed, I could feel it on my face. We thought we were going to die, and we were saying goodbye to each other.
Bangladesh's garment industry is vast and vital to the country's economy. In the years since Rana Plaza, the government of Bangladesh, the garment industry, trade unions, and the international community have come together to ensure higher standards of safety in the workplace and make garment workers more aware of their rights. With the support of the International Labour Organization, teams of structural engineers, fire safety experts, and electrical engineers are systematically inspecting ready-made garment factories in Bangladesh.
If we find that there is a problem in a factory, then we'll immediately evacuate that building and stop all the activities, and it will go directly to the review panel.
The inspections are organized by 3 major national and international initiatives created after the Rana Plaza disaster: the Accord, the Alliance, and the National Tripartite Committee. They review the inspectors' recommendations and decide within 48 hours if the building will reopen or not. Employers are supportive, recognizing that inspections will have a positive impact on their businesses.
It can help us increase our profitability because we will be able to tell our buyers that our buildings are safe and that there will be no problems with safety issues if they give us work.
Several other important changes are also underway in the industry. In the past 15 months, more than 130 trade unions have registered in Bangladesh. Just 2 were created in the previous 3 years. The national labor law has been amended. The government has upgraded the labor inspection process and has created nearly 400 positions for labor inspectors, whom the ILO will help train.
I see this as a change process, a beginning of a change process, both in terms of workers' rights as well as safety issues. The new unions are giving hope that it is a change that is happening for the benefit of the workers, and also the safety issues gaining momentum in Bangladesh. I see this is a very, very good beginning.
The government of Bangladesh, with ILO help, is offering coordinated support to survivors and their families, including counseling and referral services. One of the approaches uses theater and role-playing to rebuild survivors' confidence.
I'm glad to be here and get back the confidence I had before the collapse.
In the year since Rana Plaza, there has been progress, but sustained action is needed.
One of the challenges, quite frankly, I believe we also is moving forward. How do we really make sure that the fundamental, the fundamental rights for workers are put into place? At the same token, making sure that this vital sector for the economy, which has generated 4 million jobs, still an important dimension for the growth.
Khalida is leaving the trauma of Rana Plaza behind. She was trained by an ILO project to sew entire dresses. Her new skills are giving her more confidence and a new outlook on her future. She wants to go into business for herself.
I have enough courage and experience to run my own shop now. I have a strong will to do it, and I will do it.
The coordinated response in Bangladesh, policy change, increased factory safety and labor inspections, and new awareness of workers' rights is all directed toward a single goal: to ensure that a disaster like Rana Plaza can never happen again.